Ever wish you could earn money while you sleep? And not just once, but every single month? Yeah, I didn't believe it either until I found this. This changed how I do affiliate marketing forever. If you've tried affiliate marketing before, you know the drill. Promote a product. Get paid once. Then hustle all over again. That model is broken. I wanted income that stacks, not resets. Then I stumbled on a vault. Yes, a literal vault with over 200 affiliate programs that pay you again and again. No product to create, no begging for approval. And the best part? Many of them pay $50 to $1,200 in recurring commissions. You're not just getting a list. You're getting a shortcut to profitable niches, fitness, finance, dating, even weird ones that quietly crush it. Plus, bonus video training, guaranteed approval links, and even content templates. It's plug and earn, seriously. If you're still stuck chasing one-off sales, this will open your eyes. I wish I'd found it sooner. I've already banked commissions while out grocery shopping. Want recurring income without burnout? Check the link in bio, but don't wait. This kind of opportunity doesn't stay secret for long.